But why shiny? Hey guys, welcome to Pink Mosquito. Today I'm going to do a puppy video. Yeah, he is shiny. Bye. Say hi. Hi, Mother. Hi. Good morning.
Goodbye.
Before watching this video, please like this video and subscribe this channel so that you get my new videos notifications. You need not come to my channel. I will itself come to you. That's a good idea. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and share these videos with your family members, friends and neighbors so that I get more friends, more family members and we can enjoy together. Today's video is based on ticks. Ticks are nothing but small insects which are attacked on dogs. Yeah, you need not worry for ticks. It's common in every dogs. Yeah, today I'm going to tell you the solution for ticks and incident what happened with me with my dogs about ticks. Yeah, today what happened means 2 days before, Shiny had a small big insect, but I thought it's nail. In his toes, in between the toes, something was growing. I thought new nail is growing. So that day itself, part of the joke, my mother showed me a video. It was about the lucky dogs. Lucky dogs have 5 toes. Yeah, I thought even my Shiny has also 5 toes. Then I was so happy and I just told my mother also. I showed my mother. Then my mother told it may not be a nails. It may something else. So I was a bit confused, but still I was not so clear about that it's something else. I was in the part that it's a nail itself. Then next day I was taking our dogs for walking, me and Arushi, and in always while walking, Sharda auntie and my two of my friends will be will play with my dogs. I told this incident for Sharda auntie because she had owned 2 to 3 dogs before. She had a lot of pets. Yeah, she knew about dogs. So just I asked her. She told. I just showed her. She told. She checked in between the toes and she told. It is not a new nail growing. It's tick. I was surprised. What is tick? So many questions were running in my mind. What is tick? What is tick and what does it do? And so many questions. Then I asked auntie, what is tick? So she told, it's a small insect which attack on dogs. Then I was a bit worried. It may cause any harmful cause for our dogs. Then I asked her, it is a bit dangerous? I asked. No, it is not dangerous. It's common for all dogs. But you should be careful for these ticks. You should have medicines like you get extinct shampoo, powder and spray. And don't think that by using this extinct shampoo, powder or spray and all, these ticks will go forever. But no. This is just a temporary prevention, that's all. But these ticks are permanent. Once it will go and again it may attack the dogs. You need not worry. You just use this extinct shampoo, spray or powder so that you can get rid of these ticks for a short period of time. Again and again by using this, you can keep it aside. It's like a prevention for this. But it doesn't have a cure. Yeah. And I called my friend. Even he had a dog. Then he told, these ticks are common in dogs, but need not to worry. When I had dogs before, even they had got ticks, and his father was this police inspector who trains dogs. So he knew about his father was telling him all about dogs, so he knew about ticks. And I just asked him, and he told me all about it. And he told, you can apply powder on it, extinct powder, and after a while you can keep a separate comb for dogs and just comb on the fur of the dogs. so that all the ticks will come down. And you should just do tick 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 for all the ticks. Nothing, tick tick tick. I should kill all this because it may fly and attack some other dogs. And another thing, it's a really thing you have to point it, because even these ticks are so small actually. By drinking blood, it becomes this much big. Yeah, it's actually something really. You know, bleach insect. Yeah, bleach insect attacks humans. It will also suck blood. It will also attack animals also. But even in my native place, it's there a lot of bleach are there. Once it had attacked me also. When my mother, many were attacked by it. Yeah, there's also like that itself. Its nature is also like that. Then it will drink full blood till it become this much. It will be drinking blood. Then once it become this much big, it just fall off. There is a chances of spreading of these ticks to owned who are owned of the owner of these pets. They may also get these ticks, or someone who is playing with dogs for continuous time, they may also get these ticks. So be careful. Be cleaning these dogs by extra shampoo, powder, or spray. You can see for dogs, for in these toes, it may be attacked like this. In this part of dog's toes, it will attack more. Yeah, for shiny also it had happened like in this part only. Brownies still don't have ticks, but still we are spraying it. I'll just show you after telling about ticks, how to spray for dogs. Shiny. Yeah, he's a bit sleepy mood, so it's a bit lazy now. Yeah, and these ticks may even attack humans. I just told you, who is owning these pets, or who are playing with dogs, they may also get ticks. Yeah, so you should be careful while touching the dogs. And first, before touching, you should check the dogs are clean or not. They should be sprayed this the egg-stick spray or shampoo, powder. You get many things for these ticks. You can apply these things for your puppies, dogs, and all. It's not dangerous for applying egg-stick any products. Yeah, and even if your dogs are above 6 months, you can give them egg-stick tablets. Yeah, you can't give your dogs direct tablets, so you can mix tablets in their food, water, or milk, so that they don't get to know that they're tablets. But my puppies are 1.5 months, so I can't give them tablets. If your dogs are above 6 months, you can just give them. And while applying spray, you should check that your dog's eyes and his face should be covered with some cloth or something else, because the spray should not be sprayed on their face. They should be just sprayed on their body, not on the face, because it may harm their eyes, nose, and other parts on their face. So it is dangerous to spray this egg-stick spray on dogs or puppies' face. And the sticks will be attacked for small children very quick. So Arshi is standing back and she's watching. See, Arshi is standing back because she's scared that ticks may attack her. So she's standing back and watching whatever I'm telling. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to spray this egg-stick spray on our dogs. We have bought shampoo. It is Shea Pleasure Sniffing Dew Conditioning Shampoo for a shiny, soft and healthy coat. We have bought shampoo for egg-stick shampoo we have bought. This is spray. This is also, this is used for dog and cat, both. Now we are going to apply the spray for our puppies. For this applying spray, I'm taking my mother also, because somebody should cover its face. I told you before itself. And Arshi is standing back because now she has went away because the ticks may attack, so she has went away. I am going to show you her. Ba, brownie ba. Ba, good boy. Ba, ba. Itself tick. See, you can see it has become red and there is a wound over here. Good boy, Shani. Spray ಮಾಡ್ಬನ್ನಿಂಗೆ good guy. Good boy.
Shiny.
Good boy.
Shiny.
Good boy, good boy.
Hello.
So now I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.